Hi guys, we're here at the Designer's Den, and it's going to be Father's Day this weekend. Are you ready? Well, we have some great ideas to create a wonderful man cave for your special guy. Let's get started.
This bar area is a great place for serving your friends drinks and snacks. And then over here is our gaming table. This is a great place to test your skills as well as place your bets.
The conversation circle is a cool place to hang with your friends and debate your favorite game.
And finally, our theater area, featuring the Marcus Leather Collection, with its components to hold your remote and snacks, and your LED ambient lighting to give you the ultimate cinema experience or watch your favorite sports game. And also, the recliner. It gives you the best seat in the house. Tell us what your favorite thing is in our man cave in the comments below. You can find all of these Father's Day ideas at American Furniture Warehouse or AFW.com.